two versions back to back for this video. 4.4.3 settings view. 4.4.4 is settings edit. We're going to put it together in this video. I'm going to show you what it's all about. I have to let you know, our development team has been working really hard to get this done because it was really difficult to do. On this page here, you're going to see, and the spanner wheel has organization and profiles. So we've got the ability to see it, got the ability to edit it, but you don't have the ability to add yet. Add is going to be in 4.4.5. On the left side is profile. That's also just a view, shows you your account, your name, your details, put a photo in. So if you're a business that's thinking of having another business a part of your account, you can see the list of all your businesses here as you currently would have had them in 3.6. But what we'll do is we'll create the ability to add the new ones in here as the feature goes on. Ask our team and we'll definitely help you create the new organization so that they'll be listed on your account until 4.4.5 comes forward, and then you'll be able to make it yourself. In the organizations, we're going to be able to see details, teams, proposals, active warehouses, shipping, email preferences, and integrations. The layout of your details, your information. Second page, all the different people that you can add to be able to know what your team members are able to do and not able to do. The functionality is going to show you the members, the admin, the owner capability, and all the pages. See, look at all this work we've done. Worked on the financial pages, the view and manage, we worked on the orders pages, all the information, the pricing, the editing capability, the organization, what they can do there, the space, which is all their products pages. Like, this took a lot of work, which is why we haven't been making many videos. And we had like 2 weeks of bugs, which was mad. But the main thing is we've gotten through it and we're making the video now. So you're seeing the clean side after all that cray. The categories, members can't really do a lot. They can see stuff, invoices can't see it, wallets, they don't see what's going on there. They don't see what's going on in the reports, but they can write in the chats. So if you've got team members that aren't like critically a part of it, but you wanted them to be a part of what's going on, but you don't want to show them financials, they can still write in chat within orders that your team's already done, which is really helpful if you have extension people like freight forwarders or accountants or whatever you need them to see. They can work through that and help you through it. And it's really easy. It doesn't cost you anything to have extra members. Go for gold. There is a max out though at 50, okay? You can't have more than that. So you can add in your members. Took a lot of work, but it's really good. You can invite them, put in their details, send out an email, set up their role, and you're good to go, okay? Proposals. 4.5 might actually have it finally done properly. It's gonna break down with the service, the shipping and arrangements like that. But for the moment, they look like this. You got a single link. Right now, it shows you the base on what is being charged. But we're gonna expand to have all those proposals that you got when you got the original email when you were signing up with us. Now, active warehouses, pretty straightforward as it shares. Currently, we have 2. We have plans to have more. I won't tell you about that right now. But as you can see, the way it's written in here, it has space for the new facilities that we have in the pipeline in our future growth as a company. It tells you the address, tells you when it's open, who's looking after the facility, gives your contact details as well. So that way you've got direct lines to the facilities and the managers of each of those buildings so that you can feel connected with your stuff in those buildings. Cool little update in the shipping side. We had only a basic information, which was your signature on delivery request as a default in each order, your duties on each of your international orders, how you'd want to set it up as a DDU, DDP. If you are a business that is doing duties that go into another country, specifically in Europe, where a lot of the countries independently will charge different tax rates, and you're working with those countries and you want to be able to declare back the tax credits on that country, you can place in your own account that you have made for your country import number, which will allow us to then recognize the country, your import number. So when your shipment goes with the carriers we send with, whether it be FedEx, whether it be DHL, Zonos with Australia Post, or any of the others, those will be able to be redirected and make sure you get those credits already set up in your system for KeepSpace for you to use. Super helpful. Very cool. Shipping methods. What it's doing is just showing you all the methods that we have available. As you can see here, you can scroll down yourself. You can see Australia Post, DHL, FedEx, letter, pickup, Star Trek, TNT as the carriers that we have an account with. There is discussions going on right now. We're thinking about doing shipping carrier integrations. Very painful, very new, just wanting to let you know that might be an option that we'll consider due to the vast amount of carriers that everyone has and has accounts with and have healthy relationships with, don't want to piss them off. So it's kind of like something we're looking into to help make sure those relationships don't become administration challenges. Email preferences. We use email preferences, but we're sending more and more of them out. Some of them sometimes end up at spam, so it's really bad. So we're looking at doing a new update because every time you write in a chat message, it can be multiple notifications. If you're the owner and you're seeing all those notifications and you don't open them that much or it fills up your folder and you keep deleting them, there is a probability that can turn into spam. And that is bad because then we get blacklisted. So we're opening up a weekly email report. Inside the report, you're going to be able to see your stock levels that are below. You're going to be able to see unread notifications on all the orders that are still need to be addressed, your no stock orders that need to be resupplied, and just all the things that give you a really good overview on a weekly basis. What's going on in KeepSpace? The ability to edit those to enable and disable, they're all in here. Of course, you can click on the top right-hand corner, go through the pencil, enable and disable what you wish, and save your setting requests on the system. Integrations will show you a list of all the integrations of all the different source codes that you have. So if you've got multiple Shopify accounts, multiple WooCommerce accounts, multiple marketplace accounts, and you want to be able to see the integrations that we're pulling the data from, you'll be able to see them in a nice healthy list, all written here, really visible to see, really easy to do. The future updates that we're going to look to do that in the 4.4.5, we're actually going to look at having the source codes identifiable to what store it belongs to so that it's easier to see. Multiple businesses that we work with have multiple different shipping accounts. When you first start your business, you'll start your company off and you'll want to have your store connected to KeepSpace, and then that's your one store. But the savvy, smart businesses we work with, they'll have one store, two store, 3, 4, 5 stores all connected to KeepSpace, selling the same product in multiple different lines of sites. Because each site becomes a different marketplace running through. We even do drop shippers that have already wholesaled your product with you and set up contracts, and we also integrate into them as well. So you can have drop shippers and your direct accounts all linked to KeepSpace and be able to distribute out your goods from one account. It's really, really good. And you'll be able to see that list here, and you'll be able to work on your source IDs through that in future updates, but it's all there. I ain't gonna lie, it's a really, really hard thing to be able to get these updates out, but it is a work that I really love doing with the team. So as we continue to get these releases out, and thank you again to the development team who may be watching this video, what you have done to get these for all the businesses that use it. Thank you so much, really good effort. And if you guys are using the platform, your feedback to our marketing team and our support team about these updates really, really matter. While we're doing all this, we know that there's a whole lot of new places that you can go. Compared to version 3 to version 4, there's much more places where you can spread your arms out and go and do things here. And we know that that's a challenge. So if I haven't said it before, I'll say it again. We've made a new channel called How to KeepSpace. And on the How to KeepSpace channel, you can see all the different things. So if you need to Google search something or you need to know something specifically, you can go into that channel, type in what you're looking for, and find it. If it's not there, let us know, and we will make those videos for you so that you're able to have that not just for yourself, but your growing team. Just let us know, and we'll continue to build out those releases. The marketing team with Ian, who's making these videos, are working really hard with Praise or myself to be able to get these videos out so that we're able to make it as easy as possible to use our platform as much as we are expanding on it so that you guys don't get lost in it. So if you've got any updates on that you would like us to know, any feedbacks you think we could work on, or any of the directions that we're going that you think we could also look at, please write it into the comments below in this video, and we will definitely read them and definitely comment on them. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.